So guys, come back. Today's video I'm going to show here about to help you how you can actually start to go to the Starling website and see how you can start actually to know that it's going to be really something that is going to be very good to be done, as you can understand and see that if it's going to be really very important to be done on how you can start to do and imagine through that what we are going to have through what is going on here on what we are going to have to underestimate it through what we are going to see the situation on the Starling Bank on what we are going to do and how we can start to see the situation that is about really helpful. So what we can do about it on the bank transfer using the Starling account number, can find this by pressing the plus next to the pure plus balance. Deposit cash in any best office across the UK. Pay in the Chico. You can submit Chicos under 1000 USD in the app. Post anything over 1000 USD to us. Make Starling to your main bank by switching to us. Schedule a payment. Go to the payments tab and make sure that you have added the pay that you wanted to pay. Tap the pay account and then tap pay. And the details for your amount and reference. Select schedule for your payment. Standing order will appear under the schedule tab. Thank you.